achieve mo, there's more tomorrow to achieve. So,
There's more work to be done.
Ang life kasi ng buhay ng tao sa mundo keeps on repeating itself, including the problems. You have a day to live, and a day to clean up, and a day to be, keep healthy, and a day to, deal with the problems of pollution, and a day. It is a repeating thing, which you cannot use the word we have achieved. You can only do that when you die and you look back and say to yourself, I have achieved this thing. Or other people would say that during his lifetime, he has achieved this one. So hindi po ito sabihin niyang achieve,